guys, I am Muskan. Welcome back to my channel Blingy Muskan. So guys, आज हम बात करेंगे बेस्ट स्किन केयर ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. So guys, एक स्किन केयर रूटीन होना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप आवर स्किन ग्लोइंग एंड फ्रेश. उसके लिए हमें हेल्दी खाना खाना चाहिए और बहुत सारा पानी कंज्यूम करना चाहिए. लाइक वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप आवर स्किन हाइड्रेटेड एंड बाकी सारी चीजें वी कैन ऑब्वियसली लीव टू दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. So guys, without any further late, let's jump into the video. First we have Himalaya Herbals. Himalaya is a well-known cosmetic brand. It is widely popular for its amazing range of herbal skincare products. The brand offers a wide range of beauty products that are suitable for all skin types and serves as perfect remedies for many skin issues. When it comes to your skin, herbal products are the best, safest bet. These are not harmful and are gentle on skin. And that's the main reason why Himalaya skincare products are extremely popular among most people. Some of its best products are Next we have Mamaearth. Mamaearth is an Indian company. Its headquarters is situated at Gurugram, India. It offers products that are safe by international standards and are loaded with the goodness of nature. Mamaearth is the first Asian brand with a Made Safe certification. Its products are free of all known toxins that are banned in most countries. All of their products are non-allergic and hence a savior for sensitive skin. It is also free from paraben, PEG, DA. More importantly, more than just a brand, it makes products out of love and care. Some of its best products are Now next we have Cetaphil. Cetaphil is a skincare brand that is recommended by dermatologists and is today used by millions of people with sensitive skin from all over the world. Today, Cetaphil is available in more than 70 countries worldwide and offers a wide range of everyday products from cleanser, moisturizer to baby products and solution for sensitive skin conditions, specially formulated to provide effective skin care for a variety of skin types and conditions. Some of its best products are Now next we have Plum. Plum Goodness is an Indian skincare brand which does not promote skin lightening. Needless to say that it is one of the rarest brands which respect the diversity of Indian skin tone. Plum products are paraben SLS free, but some of their products do contain SLES, which they claim is to be safe surfactant. It is a PETA approved, cruelty free and vegan brand. Plum products do not contain traditional fragrance but are blend of natural, synthetic and nature identical substances. Did you know that Plum packaging products are eco-friendly? Some of its best products are Now we have Neutrogena. Neutrogena has been with us since the beginning of the time. Neutrogena is #1 dermatologist recommended product and it is owned by the Johnson & Johnson Limited. Since it is owned by Johnson & Johnson Limited, most of their products are not cruelty free. Neutrogena is again a brand which is mild on the skin as is meant for sensitive acne prone skin. Some of its best products are Now next we have Simple. Simple Skincare is a cruelty-free brand but is not vegan. Some of their products contain beeswax and the majority of their products does not contain paraben. The brand is also lanolin free, which means that it does not use wool wax. that can actually cause an allergic reaction on sensitive skin. Hence, it is perfect brand for highly sensitive and acne-prone skin. Simple Skin Care also is a soap-free and alcohol-free, and hence it does not strip out your skin natural oils. Some of its best products are Now next we have Kaya. Kaya has a range of Kaya clinics in India and the Middle East. In India alone there are around 100 plus products retail outlets called Kaya Skin Bar. When it comes to ingredients, Kaya is very keen on the quality of the products. Even though not all their products are SLS free, they still try to make SLS and paraben free. Kaya creates their own formula, and hence a lot of their products are designed carefully for all skin types. Kaya is also dermatologically tested. Some of their best products are Last but not the least, we have Clinique. Clinique missions has always been to provide the safest, most effective formulas and simple routines that bring remarkable results. No parabens, no fragrance. The entire skincare range is formulated to help and keep the skin healthy, glowing, including the repair creams and the wrinkle reducing creams in their product line, and having products to cater to different skin types. Some of its best products are So guys, this was all for today. I'll be seeing you in my next video. And guys, please आप मुझे बताइए कि आप कौन से products use करते हैं for your skincare routine in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.